Hello everybody, it's me again, teacher Erica R. Corpuz
from Bulacan State University.
Now that we are done in discussing segmenting and blending in our two previous videos, let us now proceed to sound isolation. Just like segmenting and blending, sound isolation is also a subset of phonological awareness. It involves having learners identify a specific phonemes in words.
Again, phonemes is any of the perceptually distinct units of sound in a specified language that distinguish one word from another. For you to have a better understanding of what am I trying to emphasize, take a look at the pictures presented on your screen. So what is the picture presented on your screen?
Dog.
Dog. So the word dog is made up of three different sounds, which are d, a, g. D, a, g. Now, what do you think is the first sound in the word dog?
D.
Very good, learners. So the first sound in the word dog is d. Dog starts with the same first sound in duck, dolphin, dinosaur. So the word dog begins with the sound. Can someone give me other words that begin with the same first sound in dog? Can someone give me the other? Dance. Aside from dance?
Doll.
Very good. Again, so the first sound in dog is the. Learners, kindly repeat after me. The.
The.
Again, the.
The.
So let's now proceed to the second picture. So the word is pan. The word pan has three different sounds, which are pa, a, n, pa, a, n. Now, what do you think is the middle sound in the word pan? Excellent. So the second sound in the word pan is a. Can someone give me other words that begin with the second sound in pan?
Arm.
Arm. Other words?
Ant.
Ant. Correct. So let's proceed to the last picture. The word is bus. Bus has three different sounds, which are us. S. Can someone tell me the last sound in the word bus? Awesome. So the last sound in the word bus is s. Can you think of other words that start with the s sound?
Sun.
Sun, very good. Aside from sun?
Star.
Star, very good. I will give you three different words to practice if you can now isolate sounds. So number 1. So the word net has three different sounds, which are t. T. So what is the first sound in the word net?
N.
Very good, learners. How about in this picture? Number 2. The word is rod. The word rod has three different sounds, which are d. So what is the second sound in the word rod?
O. O.
Awesome! Oh. So let's have the last picture. The word is deer. So the word deer has three different sounds, which are the, e, the, e, So what is the last sound in the word deer?
Ear. Her.
Excellent! So that's all our practice. Thank you for participating.